Stop wasting hours writing boilerplate code. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to build and locally deploy a high-value SaaS utility app, specifically an MRR calculator, without writing a single line of code manually. We're focusing purely on utility, zero complex dashboards, and a premium startup aesthetic. We're heading over to AI Studio. I'm pasting my master prompt to act as our senior React developer. Notice how I specify the utility-first structure and the modern glass morphism design. Once the AI generates the project, we don't even need to copy-paste. Just hit download and grab the entire project as a zip file. Let's extract that zip file and open up our terminal inside the folder. Before we proceed, make sure you already have Node.js installed on your PC. If you do, simply type npm install and hit enter to grab all our dependencies. With our dependencies installed, let's create our production-ready app. Type npm run build. This compiles all our React code and assets into a highly optimized folder called dist. This folder contains everything we need to deploy. For our local deployment, we are using Laragon to simulate a real server environment. If you don't have Laragon installed yet, drop a comment and I'll help you out. We're simply going to take all the files inside our dist folder and drop them directly into Laragon's www directory. Now, before we start the server, here is a vital pro hack. Since we are building a utility-first single-page app, we need to tell the server how to handle our routing. Right here in the www folder, create a new file named .htaccess. I have put the exact code you need down in the video description. Just copy and paste it in. Hit Start on Laragon, open up your browser, and navigate to your local host. And there it is, a fully functional, blazing fast SaaS metric calculator ready for production with perfect server routing. This is the power of AI-driven development. Now, if you want to skip the setup and just grab the exact ready-to-run project files I used in this video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and you'll find the download link right in the description. Keep prompting, and I'll see you in the next one.